Hot seat coaching, hot seat coaching. Okay, so instead of paying my higher prices for one-on-one consulting, instead of paying higher prices for an audit or website design, if you are a go-getter who knows you can do the work yourself, you've done it before, you just need to know what to do, this is for you. Okay, hot seat coaching. Low introductory price, low intro pricing is I'm going to allow you to come in at $37 per person, and you're going to walk away with my top 3 suggestions for what you need to do to improve your website homepage or another landing page to immediately get more traffic and to convert that traffic into becoming buyers, customers, clients, okay? So that's what you're going to get with your $37 purchase price with Hot Seat Coaching. I will be your coach. We will have a limit of how many people can come on the call. If you don't show up live, you'll get the recording and I will still answer your question that is pre-submitted.